to Freedom Camping. So today we're going to do a video. We're going to talk about considering things before you buy. So this is going to be our consider this before you buy your first travel trailer video. So with all you guys, if you're new to camping and you want to get into buying a travel trailer or an RV, there's a lot of things to think about. You're probably one of two people. Either you're somebody that is super over analytical, you're looking at every single thing, crunching all the numbers, and that's great. Or you're the other person, the other side of things, that you may say, oh, well, I'm just going to go get this travel trailer and this camper and I'm just going to go. Well, if you're the second type of person, you're probably going to run into a lot of things that you had no clue about, and you might find yourself in a really bad situation right out of the gate. And those are the people that normally are done camping by the end of the season because they weren't properly prepared for what they were about to get into. So this video, I'm just going to go over a couple things, guys, some stuff to talk about, and really what I want to point out is then to check out some of our other videos. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel here for Freedom Camping. We have lots of how-to videos, stuff for all you guys new to camping and towing. So everything you need, you can probably find it on our channel, and certainly always throw in some comments so we're happy to answer any questions you guys have. So some things you might want to consider before buying a travel trailer is you're going to think, what part of the country do you live in? It's probably going to be a good start. And you got to think about, what do I want to do? Do I just want to go close to my house? Do I want to go far away? What are the things I want to do while I'm there? So all of these things play into it, guys. You know, if you like biking, you got to figure out how to take your bikes. If you like to kayak, you might have to figure out how to take your kayaks. You know, if you're into paddle boarding, same thing. There's lots of things to do out there, you know, exploring nature. So you really need to figure out what you want to do. That's your number one goal first, is figure out, what do I want to do with my travel trailer? Where do I want to go? And then from there, you need to start thinking about all the secondary things. Your tow vehicle, the size of your travel trailer, how many people does it sleep, and what amenities you might want. So once you really figure out what you want to do, you need to know a budget, and then you need to figure out if your current vehicle can tow what you need, or if you're going to go for a Class A, C, or B, of course you're going to be driving that vehicle, which is great. But for all of you that are thinking about buying a travel trailer to pull it behind something, know your facts and do your weights on your vehicle before purchasing a travel trailer. That's huge, guys. You don't want to buy something you can't tow safely. So do your research and check out our vehicle on towing weight and capacities, and that'll give you a great idea of what you guys should be looking at. So once you guys figure out your tow vehicle, the size of a travel trailer you want, again, then you're going to need to figure out, okay, what we're doing and what you need to bring. So again, all of these things add up, guys. Weight matters, and things rack up really quick in weight. So again, when you're doing this, again, this is going to be a two-part video for everybody. So we're going to do, in conjunction with this video, a lightweight towing. So basically maximizing maybe the size of your travel trailer, but going smaller on your gear and the things you take to maximize what you might be able to buy. So a lot of food for thought out there for you guys. So I just want to make sure that when you guys are thinking about buying a camper, buying a travel trailer, there's tons of things to consider. So I'm going to say this is a good video as a springboard to check out some other stuff, to find out the costs that are going to get involved with your weight distribution system, hitches, all of your gear you might need, brake controllers, and all the stuff that goes inside. So again, this is going to be a two-part video. Make sure you guys watch the other one. I just wanted to throw this as a quick video out there for everybody to get everyone thinking about what should I maybe be looking at before I buy my first travel trailer. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned to the next part of this, and then go ahead and again, subscribe to Freedom Camping and check out our other videos. It's going to give you all that other info I was just talking about and things to really think about and consider before you buy. So we'll see you guys again soon. Hello everybody, and welcome back to Freedom Camping. So this is going to be part 2 of our what to know video and before you buy a travel trailer video. But this video is going to be specific to lightweight camping and going light, guys. So in 2020, the biggest part of the RV travel trailer market was lightweight. So most of the people entering the RV and travel trailer market were all getting in lightweight campers, small campers, using SUVs and small pickup trucks, and maybe in some cases some minivans to tow. So it was a huge market in 2020, and then 2021 has proven the same, where the record number of sales on the lightweight and smaller travel trailers are just going through the roof as more people want to hit the road that maybe don't have a truck or don't have a bigger truck. So this video is going to be great for anybody that owns an SUV, a small pickup truck, maybe even a minivan, but this is going to be huge for you guys and something to think about before you buy a travel trailer, to consider certain things to maybe help you out so you can maximize maybe the size of your travel trailer, or at least purchase something that's going to be best for your situation. So what I'm going to talk about today, guys, is we're going to use our example as we did an experiment from 2020 to 2021, basically to see what we could do in a year's time with a smaller travel trailer, and then pulling it with a 2016 Ford Explorer Sport 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. Does have the 5,000 pound towing capacity. So with our situation, just like a lot of you out there that have a 5,000 pound towing capacity, you might be saying, well, what could I tow? What can I buy? Well, that's a good question. And really, there are a lot of options out there, but depending on what you're trying to do, really might limit you, just like it did for us. Now, a lot of times there's only 2 or 3 of us going with our travel trailer, but when we're bringing the whole family, we've got 6 people, guys. So with us with a 5,000 pound towing capacity, we're looking at trying to find something that we need a bigger travel trailer to sleep everybody, but I still need to be able to tow it. So before we went and purchased everything, we certainly did our research with our Ford authorized dealer as far as towing capacities and restrictions, and we also worked a lot with our local RV dealer where we purchased this on order to make sure that this was something that we were going to be able to tow safely. And then we knew before purchasing, guys, what kind of stuff we wanted to bring and how much weight we were bringing with us. So for us, we are ultra lightweight campers, guys. We barely bring anything with us, and that's so we could maximize basically the size of our travel trailer. And then what you also have to think about is maybe when you go somewhere, you need to be able to think about, am I okay with maybe purchasing things while I'm there? Like us, for a certain example, we go and we actually buy groceries once we get to the campsite. You know, we'll get to the area. We love exploring the local areas, so we like hitting up a lot of local small grocery stores. We actually get our food, our ice, all those things once we get to site. So we save a ton of weight by not pre-packing a lot of that stuff. And this might not be a situation that's great for everybody, but certainly something to think about, as you guys might be able to go with a slightly bigger travel trailer. As long as you don't overload it and you stay under your weight, you might be able to get more with less weight. So for us, I'm going to point out an example here. I'm going to show you guys everything that we carry in our travel trailer that's always in here, that really doesn't ever come out. And for us, max weight we ever bring with us, and including the weight distribution hitch, our blocks, our water hose, our power cord, sewer hose, all these items you see down here, and then I'll show you in a minute all of our items inside. We don't ever exceed an additional 264 pounds. So we're always under 264 pounds. And again, that's even including our weight distribution hitch. So again, we go super, super light. So for our outside stuff, guys, it's super simple. 2 chairs, unless we're bringing other people, we will bring 4. But we have all of our odds and ends in this bin. You know, thermocell, your care products for the travel trailer here, cable wire, your bug spray, some propane, miscellaneous cords and attachments, an outdoor blanket, or picnic table cover, citronella candle. This all the stuff that goes in our pass-through. It's normally always in here. We don't ever take this out. This is our standard to-go kind of bin for our outdoor gear. Again, we don't bring a lot because we're okay with renting bikes where we go. We're okay with renting kayaks and doing things in the local area that we don't need to bring things with us. So again, that might not be an ideal situation for all of you guys, but that's something to think about, is if you're going to go somewhere, what is available to me in that area that I can rent, buy, or do without bringing a whole bunch of stuff with us. So again, our point is to go super light, and then when we get there, maximize once we get there. So let's go inside. We'll take a look at what we got in here. I'm going to show you all the stuff that stays inside the travel trailer. It's always with us. So let's go take a look. So before we head inside here, guys, and I show you guys the rest of the stuff that we keep in the travel trailer full time, I want to talk about something else with going lightweight. So when I'm talking about going lightweight and maximizing your travel trailer, what I'm really talking about too is weight that's going in your travel trailer, and also that's going in your tow vehicle, and as far as payload in your tow vehicle. So when we go with more family members, or we want to bring all of those extras, we do use a second vehicle, guys. Now, that's something that we're personally okay with on our end. Not everyone's going to be okay with taking 2 vehicles on a trip, but for us personally, it works great for us. We have other vehicles that we can bring, so we're happy to do it. And again, that's something that gives us the opportunity to have a larger travel trailer, and then we go lighter with payload in our tow vehicle and lighter with things in here. So I want you to keep in mind, there's also options out there for you guys. So if you're thinking, oh my gosh, we have too many passengers and then we exceed the payload in our tow vehicle, or we have to put too much in our travel trailer that might exceed that as well, think about a second vehicle or other options you guys may have that are available to you to keep that weight down. So that's what we personally do. Again, keeping that as an option for everybody. I just wanted to throw that out there. That way you can say, well, boy, it looks like you guys don't have a lot of stuff that you take. Well, when we go to the beach and we go to some of the longer trips, we will take 2 vehicles, guys. That's what works best for us to give us the access to all the things we want, plus still going light and maximizing. So let's go inside and check out everything else that's in here, and we'll show you what's going on. Okay, guys, so now we're inside. I have all of the things that we bring with us laid out here so you can see everything. This is it. It's super simple, small stuff. Pretty much this is what we always have in here. Now, if we're bringing some more of our family members, we'll have 4 more plates, 4 more bowls. But other than that, we really don't add anything else when we go camping. So this is the stuff that's in here. It always stays in here. So I'm going to run through some of this quick for you guys. And combined, this is all really lightweight stuff, guys. So, of course, tiny trash can. Now, we do bring... this is an air fryer, toaster oven combo, as our travel trailer, since it is a smaller travel trailer, doesn't have the oven option. So we opted to purchase one of the toaster oven air fryers for this. That way we have the 2-burner stove, the microwave, and a oven, if you will. So we have some card games in here for those rainy days where you had to stay inside. Keep that here. Of course, bowls, plates, some dish towels, guys, hand towels for the bathroom. Trash bags, dish soap, hand soap, and then we use we buy these. This is basically our shower caddy. This is everything that goes in the bathroom, so whenever we're getting in the shower, all that sort of stuff, this is everything. Keep it in here. Real small, easy to move around, keep everything in there. Now, with going light again, we opt not to bring every size pot and pan that's ever made. So obviously having tons of different pots and pans may be great for some of you, and if you can pull the extra weight, or you have the extra weight to spare, sure, maybe bring some more. But we keep it very simple, where we just have a very small pan and a larger pan, and then we have one size pot, if you will. So it's a nice tall pot. Put small stuff in here, plus you can put big stuff. So we opted to bring this one size for our travel trailer and keep it in here. Nice and universal. Just some cups back here. Our silverware caddy, we have this so we can move it inside or outside, anywhere. We don't even bring a coffee pot, guys. We use a coffee press. Again, lightweight, safe space. It's awesome. We love it. Works good for us. Our youngest son's sippy cup. Again, towels. We always have at least 2 of our bath towels in here. Now, obviously, you're going to want to have as many bath towels as you have people with you, but we always have 2, at least in the camper here. Paper towels, tissues, and toilet paper. And that literally is it. Other than the sheets and blankets and the pillows that are on the beds, there's nothing else that we put in our travel trailer. So it is super basic, and this is what we bring. And also, with keeping it small and keeping it simple in your travel trailer, we also bring our clothes. We pack our clothes in the front here where the queen bed is. And we, again, bring very limited clothing because nowadays, most of your bigger RV parks, guys, and campgrounds, they have laundromats. So if you're okay with doing it, again, it's one of those things that you might be able to go get away with 3 or 4 outfits for a week and then use the laundry throughout the week and then rewear your stuff later in the week. So the options are really good for you guys. Again, the point of this video is you can go extremely light and still have a great time. So what I want everybody to think about is, what do you want to do and what are your must-haves to bring? Do your weight calculations, figure out what you're going to need before you buy your travel trailer, and then you're going to know what vehicle you need to pull it and then what size travel trailer you can get. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. Got tons more videos coming. Hopefully I can do some of them where it's not 100 degrees out, so that would be awesome. But again, stay tuned, guys. Plenty of our other videos on there. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay subscribed, guys, because there's so much more stuff coming for you guys. We got some factory info coming, more product reviews, and some great campground reviews coming in the next couple weeks. So thanks for watching Freedom Camping. We'll see you again soon.